If your chainsaw shirt is so dirty it's about to take on a life of its own, it's time to do laundry even if you don't have power. You're going to need a 5-gallon bucket. A lid is helpful. A Gamma Seal is best. If you don't have one, a flat press-on lid will do, or no lid at all. Put your dirty clothes in the bucket and add your water. Add a bit of soap, just about a tablespoonful. If you don't have any laundry soap, shampoo works fine too. And then let it sit a couple minutes to let everything soak. Put your lid on. If you have a Gamma Seal, tip that bucket on its side, facing uphill if you can, and rock it back and forth to agitate for 2 to 3 minutes. Stand it up, let it soak, drain it, clean water, do it again. If you don't have a lid on your bucket or it's not a Gamma Seal, you can rock it back and forth, or you can use your arm as a plunger to plunge and agitate. After you've done 2 to 3 cycles of 2 to 3 minutes and at least 1 change of water, press the extra water out of your clothes. Do not wring it, that will distort your clothes. Shake it out if you don't mind getting a little bit wet yourself. This will speed up drying time. It can take all day long for your clothes to dry outside. As your things hang and dry, they will get water at the bottom that's dripping. Come by every once in a while, press that water out, maybe even shake your things out again. Now you have clean clothes without power. This will help keep your laundry soft and it will help it dry faster. So follow these steps and you should have clean, dry laundry by the end of the day.